Hello warriors, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Seun Obisesan. Recently we were just having a chat and she just said how to do easy exercise at home. I said, why do you need to do exercise? See, I'm very used to asking why people want to do something, because you get to a stage in life, whatever it is that you're doing, it's how big your why is that is gonna keep pushing you further, because you get exhausted. So consistency works more for people when you know your why. And I said, why? Just because people are doing exercise, people are jumping up and down, doesn't mean it's for everybody. I'm not saying to exercise is bad. It's just that there are some exercise that are not meant for you because of your health or any other issues that you might have. And then she said, okay, what do you do? Well, I didn't have any chance to kind of record what I do. After doing my school run in the morning, I come back home. I have a band around, my thigh, just above my knees, just to build up the muscle on my thighs. I sweep the floor with broom to get me to bend down a bit. And recently I started doing, what is it called? Skipping without a rope. I love to skip, but I have not been doing it for a long time because of my back issue. I couldn't skip because I can't jump. So if I say to you, oh, exercise is easy, just keep skipping, it might not be for you. And that was it. And to my understanding, it's just to exercise is just to move your body. When you're sitting at a spot for too long, an hour maximum, I will say, you need to get up and move for a minute or two. You cannot be sitting at the desk for 2 hours, 3 hours. That's not how our body is programmed. We are supposed to move. When people talk about exercise, they think, oh, you have to do the intense, you have to, it's not really a big deal. Go at your own pace. You're not in a competition with anybody. Some celebrities might be doing some exercises, just to kind of keep their post in the front page of a magazine. That might not be for you. The benefit of exercising at home is it saves you time. You're not packing your gym bag. You're not packing this. It saves you money. You're not paying for any gym membership. Your privacy is intact. Whatever it is that you feel comfortable wearing, you can wear it in the comfort of your own home. And also you go at your own pace. Like I said before, you go at your own pace. When you're tired, you stop. That's the advantage of doing the exercise at home. And to exercise in general, it controls your weight. It combats some illnesses or some diseases that might be happening or that will happen in your body. Also, it improves your mood and it boosts your energy level. And of course, it promotes better sleep. You sleep better because you've moved your body. And some people, we think, because you're moving a lot, because you're exercising, will make you so tired. Maybe for the first day or two, when you keep at it, you will be, you will sleep better at night. So if you're a college student, like a lot of you are in the university now, rounding up the year, maybe your first year, second year, third year, or your final year, you're rounding up in May, well, based on the Irish system. You will be, doing all your projects and you'll be sitting still. You need to get up. You need to get up and move your body. And when people focus too much on exercise, it doesn't really go well with me, because there is a lot to exercise than just the outer appearance of your body. What about the mind? Because the main reason, I believe feeling good is more important than looking good. They are both important, but if looking good is all you want, then you need to focus more on feeling good. If you want to look good, you work towards feeling good so that the inside will kind of shine out And if you're focusing more on feeling good, definitely when you're feeling good, you're going to look good. You're good. So what about training your brain, exercising your brain, dancing could be very good for your brain and also for your body because you're moving the whole part of your body. And also by learning a new skill and teaching that skill to somebody else, as well as if you meditate. And the most important thing at this stage is stay away from your phone for a while. It's another way of exercising your brain. Stay away from it. And the benefit of that is it helps you to kind of soak up the real thing happening rather than the screen time. It gives you the ability to kind of connect more with people around you rather than people on the internet. I'm not saying people on the internet are not important, just in case if you're connecting with your loved ones over Instagram or WhatsApp or something. There must be people that will be around you. You cannot just be looking at your screen all the time. So when it comes to exercising, it's not to be taken to the extreme. Moving your body is all you need. Move your body. And also, life is not just about go, go, go. There will be a time that all you have to do is switch off your phone and relax. That's one thing you could do to exercise your mind. You cannot focus too much on your outer appearance and you're suffering mentally. And I'm talking about depression. You might even be in the same house. It might even be your partner. They might not even know you're suffering. They might not even know you are, you are depressed. Some people don't even know they are depressed because they are just doing everything go, 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 go. You need to take care of your mental health. I don't believe there is a point in trying to exercise when your mental health is suffering. So it's good to take care of people. That's part of feeling good as well. But you need to take care of yourself first. So exercising is about moving your body. And skipping is really good because it targets the whole part of your body. You're moving the whole part of your body, but it's not for everybody. So whatever it is that you think will kind of make you feel better, make you relax, make you calm down. If you think you are a size 10 or you're a size 12, you want to remain a size 10, you do what you got to do to remain a size 10. If you are a size 8, you want to kind of go up a bit to become a size 10, you got to do what you have to do to become a size 10. So generalizing doesn't really help everybody. You have to look for what, suit you, depending on what you're looking for and why you're looking for what you're looking for. So it's just, it's a bit personal to me when it comes to exercising because it's something I haven't been able to do much of for a while now because of my back. I'm just taking things slow, building my thighs, building the muscle in my legs. So, and I'm not going to be up and running, competing with somebody that is training for a 5K run or a 10K run. You just do you. Move your body every now and then and, change routines. Like if you always drive long distance, park, relax, stretch your muscle. If you're always sitting, get up a bit. If you're always standing, sit up, walk around a bit. So you can't say, oh, move around if moving around is what that person do all the time. So relaxing also is part of exercising, allowing your brain to rest while you re-energize your mind. Because if you're lost up here, what's the point of the exercise? Think about that. I'll catch up with you in the next one. Bye, warriors.